Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, they are asking to us that we need to find such an element x in the dihedral group, the group of symmetries of squares, such that R90 into V into x into h, that gives us d dash, right? So we have to find such a x which satisfies this condition. For that, we require the Kelly table for the dihedral group D4. So this is the Kelly table. D4 consists of these 8 elements: R0, R90, R180 and R270 as the 4 rotations, H, V, D and D dash as the 4 reflections. Now here we have to find what? We have to find R90, V, X, H is equal to D dash. This is given to us, right? We have to find X. So let's go step by step. In the first step, let's solve what is R90 into V. Let's see in our table. R90 is here, right? V is here, so the answer is D. So we can substitute it here. This is equal to D, right? So this implies R90 V X H is equals to D dash. It would be equal to what? It would be equal to D X H is equal to D dash, correct? This is what we have. Now let's see what do we have here. Finally, the final thing is D dash. This is required to us. So let's do in the second step. Let's see what is X. If we have this thing, then what is X here? So we have to see if we take this H and within this X we have D dash at this position. This corresponds to R90. So that means the value of X in this case is R90, correct? So that means in order to solve this, so this implies what information this thing provides to us. It gives us, it tells us that we have to solve finally R90 is equal to D dash, R90 into H. So that means this is R90 into H is equals to D dash. This is what we have computed. If this is R90, so this implies this dx should be equal to R90 degree, right? This dx should be equal to R90 degree. So from here we can write the third step. We need to find x in such a way that this is equal to R90. So what is the value of x here? So we can very easily compute this. We have d here. By what number, by what function we can multiply this or compose this so as to get the answer as R90, this. So this corresponds to v here. So that means the value of x is v. So let's substitute it here. So from here x comes out to be v. Why? Because you see dv, that is equals to R90, correct? So once you have all the steps done, so thus x is equals to v in the dihedral group D4, and hence you can very easily show that our quantity R90 v, in place of x we are now again writing v h. This when you compute what is R90 into V, let's have a look at our table. This is D, right? So let's quickly write it. We are just verifying it. So this is D, D, V, H. Underlined portion is the value of H. Now what is dV? Solving dV. So D is here, V is here. So the value comes out to be R90, correct? So let's substitute it here. R90 into H, let's see what is it. R90 is this one, H is this one, so we have D dash as our answer. So we have D dash here when you solve this much portion, and this is what we wanted to calculate here. So I hope you understood this question well. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.